Welcome to this beautiful traditional home featuring exceptional architecture and immaculate landscaping in the Pacific Crossing community. This spacious 5-bedroom home is close to the community clubhouse, playground, and pool. And it's just minutes to Pacific University and quaint downtown Forest Grove. From the inviting covered front porch, come inside. You'll discover an open floor plan with upgrades and designer touches throughout. Relax by the see-through gas fireplace to the patio. Or entertain in the formal dining room. Hardwood floors extend to the gourmet kitchen, where you'll find granite slab counters, a large island with eating bar, stainless appliances, a gas range, and double ovens. A mudroom off the garage features a tile dog shower, perfect for your best friend. Double doors lead to the office or den, with a half bath next to it. On the upper level, a light and bright bonus room would make a great space for a theater, game room, or play area. Unwind in the spacious master suite with a sitting area and 2 walk-in closets. The spa-like master bath features extensive tile with a soaking tub and a step-in shower. With more than 3,600 square feet, there's plenty of space for everyone. Enjoy entertaining on the covered patio by the fireplace, or relaxing in your low-maintenance private fenced yard with a sprinkler system. Store your toys in the hard-to-find 3-car garage with an oversized RV bay. Beautiful home in a fantastic community. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Pam Irish with Premier Property Group at 503-537-7221.